If you are craving for a simple recipe that is not only great in flavor, but very simple and easy to prepare, you are at the right place. Today I will share with you an excellent recipe for a cake that requires no baking, which I am sure you will ask for an extra slice. Lately I've been so obsessed with the taste of coconut, so I decided to use Lino Lada coconut cream and prepare a super quick and simple dessert. All of you coconut lovers out there, I'm sure that you will especially enjoy the taste of this dessert. First, prepare the coconut pudding to have enough time to prepare the other ingredients while it cools. Heat the milk in a saucepan on medium heat. In another bowl, mix the Dolcela coconut pudding and Dolcela vanilla sugar with a little cold milk. When the milk reaches the boiling point, add the mixture and constantly stir with the wire whisk. When the mixture thickens, remove the pot from the heat. Cover the top of the pudding with a piece of plastic wrap to prevent it from crust forming. Allow it to cool completely. In another bowl, with the help of a hand mixer, whisk the Dolcela whipped cream powder with the whole milk until stiff peaks forms. You can use heavy whipping cream for this step. Place the Lino Lada coconut cream in a warm place to become more liquidy and pour it over the cooled coconut pudding. Stir the pudding and coconut cream using a hand mixer. Stir and add the whipped cream until you get a smooth filling. Choose a dish in which you will place the cake. I'm using a 13-inch casserole pan. Soak the biscuits in milk and arrange them in one layer in the bowl. Put quarter of the coconut filling and smooth it out. Arrange another layer of soaked biscuits and add another quarter of the filling. Repeat the same process until you have used up all the biscuits and coconut filling. finally, finish with a single layer of biscuits soaked in milk. Whip up the Dolcela whipping cream powder with milk and decorate the whole cake. Prepared this way, leave the cake in the refrigerator to set for about 4 to 5 hours, or overnight is even better. If you are in a rush and want to serve the cake as soon as possible, you can put it in the freezer for about 30 to 40 minutes. In the end, serve the cake with quickie coconut balls for even more impressive decoration. I can surely say that I will enjoy this cake with my family, and I recommend you to prepare it as soon as possible and send me a photo how it turned out. The whole list of the ingredients is in the description box down below, and for a lot more videos coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking, until the next time.